So hi everybody. So right now it is, what time is it now, love? Where's your phone? So right now it is 11:43 p.m. So nandito kami sa aming apartment. Kanina nung kami nag-dinner sa kaibigan namin kay Cheryl. And then sabi ko antok na kami kasi nga masama pakiramdam. Actually I have a fever. I have flu right now. And then, umuwi na kami. And then, we decided to unbox yung mga presents namin. Una, ngayon lang kami mag-unbox guys ng mga presents namin. So, una, I would like to thank you to Ate Marie Dino and her family for the Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher sa gift niya kanina. Thank you, Ate Marie Dino, sa chocolates. Oh, loves, you have to grab some. And then, kung kanino galing. Do the owner. Okay, my husband is very shy. He's not very cooperative. Joke. Okay, the second one, this is from Cel, Maricel Jumiras. Open natin, Cel. Thank you so much, Maricel Jumiras, sa regalo mo. So, pagkuha na ka nan din, I'll open them. So, Happy New Year na sa Pilipinas, guys. Kasi nga, advance naman ng Pilipinas. Hala, oy. Ang tindi ng, nito, pagkakasara. Ganito pala to. And, it's hard to open, you know. So, si Maricel, nagbigay sa akin ng, so, this is for Tata. Yes, that's for your love. From Maricel Jumiras. And for me, oh, thank you, Sab. Say thank you. Actually, I don't know if this is for women, but I can wear it and also Ben can wear this one kasi malaki siya. Thank you, Sel. Okay. So, those are from Maricel Jumiras. What else, love? And this one, guys. So, I would like to say thank you to Mother Fidel, our chef sa work namin. Thank you, Kuya Fidel. So, I call him Mother Fidel or Kuya Fidel. Okay. So, next one. This is from Zarina. Merry Christmas, Ate Lizelle and Kuya Ben. Love, can you grab the bunting? Okay na, huwag na. Wow, Zarina! Thank you so much sa chocolate, be. And we have, we have McDonald's, we have Tim Hortons, and we have chocolates. Oh my gosh. Zarina. So we have additional gift cards. Thank you, Zarina. So we will put this back here kasi mamaya we can take, we can take a picture. Okay, what else? So here, basahin natin, guys. To Lizelle, Merry Christmas from Cel. Oh, that's for you, love. Yung dalawa sa'yo lang talaga yun. From Maricel. Pajama, at saka ano. Oh my goodness, Maricel. Hello, loves. I have another one, love. I have another one. Thank you, Cel. Oh my goodness. So thoughtful of you. So that's from Maricel. So, ito guys, we can keep this. Yung mga paper bags, we can keep them. Para naman next year magamit, di ba? Tanggalin lang yung may message. So, ganon. So, Lizelle and Ben, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Ricky and Len. So, this is from Ate Ricky, from Ate Rielin and Ricky. Wow, so I have another lotion, guys. Thank you, Ate Rielin. And this is for you, love. Another t-shirt. That's for you. And this one is from, okay, Mars Lizelle and Bench. Carlo and Ness. Okay. Galing to sa Salvador family. Nice. May ano sila. Gagalingan na card. Very nice. Merry Christmas. Sending peace, love, the Salvador family. Wow. Galing naman. Yan, guys. May sarili silang card. Talaga. Okay. So, let's see what we got from them. What is this? It is sterilizing bag. So, pang-sterilize siya. Wow. Thank you, Mars. Thank you, Pads. Thank you so much. Natin. Then we can keep the bag. Then we can reuse them. Okay. And this one. This is from, ang cute din na kay Nika. She has her own sticker to Ate Lizelle from Nika. Bonete. Thank you, Nix. Thank you so much. Another talk. Ang tawag kasi nito sa Canada is talk. Talk. And then, nasaan na yun? And this is from Nika for Ben, guys. Yan. Bonnet din, love. You have bonnet pa, Nika. Thank you, Nix. Thank you so much. Okay. What else? Ito, guys, galing to sa aking manito. So, yung aking manito, nagtanong sa akin. So, alam ko na siya yun. Nakabunot sa akin. Sabi ko, I don't need anything for myself. But I need some kitchen utensils ba sa apartment. So, yan natin. Ay! Wow! I'm so excited. May bago kaming kutsara at tinidor ni Ben, guys. Yeah, stainless steel service flatware set. So, pang kusina. Thank you, Kuya Arnel, for granting my wish. For granting my request, Kuya Arnel. So, this one is from... I'm not sure. Do you have your phone? Kasi kusina. Who is this from? Hindi na ko sure. Kanino ini? Walang name. Oh my gosh. Pang Valentine's. So, watermelon hand wash, guys. So pretty. There is no message kung kanino to. Wala siya message. So, I don't know. Thank you so much kung kanino man tong hand wash na to. It doesn't say. Ito rin, wala siyang wala siyang note. So, I'm not sure kung kanino to galing. Kasi, alam nyo yun, pag nagbigay, wala na. Hindi ko na maalala kung sino nagbigay. So, thank you so much. Wala eh. I think this is for Ben. Yeah, pang lalaki siya. Congrats, love. This is for you. Another winter stuff. Thank you so much. I don't know kung kanino galing yun kasi walang note. Thank you so much. And this one is from Paula and Chang Chang. Thank you, Pao and Chang. Ayan. May sticker din sila. Yung sticker nila, nare-remove siya. So, we can reuse this paper bag for the next time. For the next season, di ba? Wow! Cap for Ben. Cap for you. From Chang Chang and Paula. Thank you, Pao and Chang. Almost 12 na. And a bag for me. Ayan, guys. Pwede ko siyang gamitin sa work. Thank you, Pao. Di ba may bago na akong bag? Okay. This one, galing kay Kathleen. Pinubo ako. Kathleen for Ben. For Kuya Tata. Ayan. Oh, see, love. Sweater. It's for you. Thank you, Kat. Thank you so much, Kat. Ito siya, guys. Napanalunan ko to sa games. So, I'm not sure kung ano to. Wow, baso! Galing naman. Nadagdagan na to baso, love. So, napanalunan ko to sa games ng Christmas. Thank you kung kanino galing to. Thank you so much. Ayan, dagdag ano namin to baso ni Ben. What else? Kanino to, guys? Okay. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. From Riette and Cheryl. Okay. Thank you, Madam Cheryl and Riette. Wow. Travel mug. Then, ano to? Vanilla. Oh, tsaa, guys. Travel mug siya, and then tatlong flavor ng tsaa. Thank you, Madam. And your yet. Okay. Ito, guys, hindi ko na lang siya kasi mabigat eh. So, this is from Ate Ishi and Kuya Norman. To Lizelle and Ben. Ito na lang to. Yan. Kay Ate Ishi and Kuya Norman, yun. Isang set talaga siya ng dinnerware. There is Lizelle and Ben. All things merry and joyful. All wish for both of you this Christmas. Always, Kuya Norman and Ate Ishi. Thank you, Te and Kuya. Yan, kitchenware talaga siya, one set. And this one, guys, so yung employer namin, yung employer namin ni Ben, nagbigay ng cash at saka card. So this is for Ben and this is for myself. Thank you, Mom Karen, sa cash gift. And this is this is from Pedro and Jenny. Thank you, sis, sa chocolate. So, basta natin yung card nila. Wow, I love their cards. May mga, diamond. So, Benji and Lizelle, we are grateful for your friendship. Thank you for staying in touch and keeping our friendship alive. Wishing you a season that's merry and bright. Happy holidays. We pray that 2024 will bring you joy, love, and good health. May God continue to bless your career and your family. May 2024 bring us more beautiful memories as friends. We love you both, Pedro and Jenny. Thank you, sis and Pedro. So kind of you guys. So thoughtful of you. Ganyan sila ka-thoughtful, guys, na mag-asawa. Pag every Christmas, napapadala sila ng Christmas card. What else? Ito naman, galing kay Kathleen. Okay. Thank you, Kat. Yan. Countdown na lang. Okay. Okay. So, walang message. So, pwedeng i-recycle. Pwedeng gamitin natin ulit itong paper bag. So, this is from Kathleen. Oh my goodness. Loves. Lolo Limon. Thank you, Kat! Thank you so much, Kathleen. You're so generous, my dear. Thank you. Kahit na alam kong nag-ipon ka, nagbibigay ka pa din sa mga ate mo, be. So, this one, galing to sa manager namin sa apartment. David's Cookies. I know it's yummy. Kasi David's Cookie. Thank you, Uncle Igor. And then this one. This is from my friend Jenny, a Vietnamese. And also her friend, Kuya Mo. So, sa kanilang dalawa to. Thank you, my dear friend. Is it 12 already? Wow! So, may pantulog na ako. I think this is for Ben or for myself. So, kung sino magkasya, makakasya nito. Thank you, Jenny. What else? Let's do na, love. Happy New Year!
Oh.
Happy New Year, love! Is it sa phone mo? 12 na? Hala, uy. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! It's 12 midnight, legit, here, Edmonton. So, may message here. To Ate Lizelle and Kuya Tata, Merry Christmas from Shahani. Thank you, Sha! Oh my goodness! We have, a new kutsilyo. And this one, oh, di ba? May apron ako kasi nagluluto-luto. Wow! Thank you, Pe! Alam mo yung mga pangangailangan namin ba? Happy New Year, loves!
Happy New Year.
So, ito naman, to Ben and Lizelle, Sheila and Abel. Thank you, Ate Sheila and Kuya Abel. Ayan, guys. Gamit din sa kusina. Oh! Love. Another. We already have this from Nanay Christina.
Oh.
So, another box of this, guys, from Ate Sheila and Kuya Abel and family. Thank you po, Ate and Kuya. So, mayroon na kaming another set of bowls na naman. So, ayan. Marami na kaming yung munting tahanan namin, nadagdagan ng mga gamit. Diba? Dito sa Canada, guys, mag-ano kayo tawag nito? Mag-separate na kayo kapag meron kayong sarili ba, and then kaka-umpisa nyo pa lang, napupuno din kasi yung mga kaibigan. And this is so ito yung nabunot ni Ben, si Ate Eds yung nakabunot sa kanya. Thank you, Ate Eds. So you can use this for work kasi itim siya. Nike. Thank you, Ate. It's up to you. You can use this for gala or for work. Kasi comfy. Comfy siya. Tsaka black. As you can see, guys, may itim na yung mata ko kasi wala akong tulog kagabi. May lagnat pa ako. So, ayun. Kita nyo yung mata ko na nangingitim. I-try mo siya pag suot ko ligo. And this is from Ben and Lizelle. Prinsesa. Wow! Darling, thank you so much, darling. Pantulog namin to ni Bentong. Ben and Lizelle. Okay. Ribon-ribon. Gamit sa kusina? Yes! Yes, gamit sa kusina. Dadagdagan yung apron namin, guys. Apron at saka yung tawag nito, loves, yung panghawak. Pot holder? No. It's not, yeah, I think so. Sorry, guys. Yung brain ko hindi na gumana minsan. Yung memory. Okay. Okay. So, next. Ito'y galing kay Tito Ben and Tita Lizelle. Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness. Meron pa talaga kay Johnson galing, love. Thank you, Johnson. So, meron na tayong dalawang couple tumbler. Yan. Thank you, Johnson. So, tanggalin natin to. We can reuse them. Yan. So, what else? We have here, ito, guys. Galing kay Ate Tina. To Ben and Lizelle. Merry Christmas, Ben and Lizelle. Wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Love, Ate Tina. Thank you, Ate. Napakaano mo talaga, Ate. Thoughtful and sweet. That's why we love you. Oh my gosh. Love, another set of same that one. So, kumot. Thank you, Ate. So, dagdag kumot, guys. Okay, what else? We have here, wala siyang sulat. To Benji, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Bida and Ryan. Loves. Garigalo sa imo sa Ate Bida o si Kuya Ryan. Thank you, Ate Bida and Kuya Ryan. Wow, loves. Another. Say thank you. Thank you, Ka.
Kuya Ryan. Thank you.
And what else? To Lizelle, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Ryan and Vida. O, diba? Alam natin, Vids, yung mga kailangan natin dito sa What? Ano to, loves? Pang cover ng
Ulo. Paraan.
No. Sorry, I don't know how to use this, but I will find out. I think pang cover ng food or whatever. No? Thank you, Ate Vids and Kuya Ryan. So thoughtful of you. Then the last here. Sorry guys. Isa kong ignorante about this. Okay. So this one is for Inay Christina. Well, that's from our manager, guys. Nasama lang sa bag. So ito, guys, galing sa manager namin sa Comclean. Pure Organics Bath Salts. Pag naliw kami sa tab ni Ben, we have this, guys. Di ba, love? Thank you, Miss Diane and Jelvin, for this. Anyana. And this is for Ben kasi nga nag-birthday siya nung November 22. So regalo nila kay Ben. Bintong, another set. This is nice. This is formal. So if there's an occasion, you can wear that. Thank you so much, Jelvin and Miss Diane. And of course, Miss Diane, thank you so much sa regalo mo. Ayan, suot ko na. Ito na yung pang New Year ko. Pinang New Year ko kanina sa dinner. And ngayon, vlog, nag-unbox. So, sakto lang talaga siya. Ayan. Do, kita yung aking, you know, ang aking tummy talaga. Di na mawawala yan. Kasama ko na yan siya. Ayan. So nice. Yan. May ano pa. Sleep. Yan. Thank you, Miss Dayan. Sa regalo mo. Nasuot ko na siya. New Year outfit. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nagregalo. Sa mga bumati ng Merry Christmas sa amin lahat. Thank you so much. I pray to God na i-bless pa kayo more. And then, ang buong pamilya natin, i-bless tayong lahat. Okay? So, gift giving, isang ano yun eh. It's our way. Kasi, di ba, Jesus was born. And then, dahil nagpasalamat tayo na sinilang siya, we are happy. We show love to each other. Ayun. So, for us to show our love to our friends and family, we give them a gift. And we thank you for all of these. We pray that the 2024 will give us joy, peace, happiness, good health. So, and of course, safety for everybody. Success sa mga trabaho, sa mga pangarap sa buhay. Ayun. So, Happy New Year sa lahat. At mag-ingat palagi. So, Ben and I are always grateful sa lahat ng mga friends namin, katrabaho na they're always there for us. So, hindi ko na i-mention mga pangalan na yun, but you know guys, kung sino kayo na andun lagi sa amin ni Ben. And again, thank you so much. And God bless everyone. Bye!